In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table of contents in Microsoft Word. A table of contents is a great way to give your document a clear structure and help readers jump straight to the section they need. This is especially useful for longer documents like reports, manuals, or academic papers. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process, from preparing your document to inserting and updating your table of contents. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Before you insert a table of contents, you need to make sure your headings are set up properly. Word builds the table of contents from your heading styles, so go through your document and click on the title or section names you want to appear. With a heading selected, go to the Home tab at the top, then find the Styles group. Choose Heading 1 for main titles, Heading 2 for subheadings, and Heading 3 for smaller subsections. Apply these consistently throughout your document. Taking a moment to do this now will make the table of contents accurate and automatic. Once your headings are in place, move your cursor to where you want the table of contents to appear. This is usually right after the title page or at the very beginning of the document. Click once to place your insertion point there. Next, go to the References tab on the ribbon at the top of Word. On the far left, you'll see the Table of Contents button. Click it, and a menu will drop down with a few built-in options. You'll typically see choices like an automatic table or a manual table. Choose one of the automatic options, because these read your heading styles and generate the table for it. Click your preferred style and Word will instantly insert a table of contents at your cursor location. You'll now see a list of your headings along with page numbers. If you hold the Control key and click on one of the entries, Word will jump straight to that section, which is very handy for navigation. As you continue editing your document, you might add new sections or change the length of existing ones, which will move content to different pages. To keep your table of contents accurate, you need to update it. Click anywhere inside the table, then look for the Update Table option that appears at the top of the table or under the References tab. When you click Update Table, choose whether to update just the page numbers or the entire table. Updating the entire table is safer if you've added or removed headings. That's all you need to insert and manage a table of contents in Microsoft Word.